Hello and welcome back to another other video. Sorry I've been kind of inactive over the past couple days as I've been working on a couple of other projects and some pretty interesting informational videos coming up soon. So stay tuned for those by subscribing and hitting the bell. But today we are talking about the tail end of the blizzard that is currently ongoing in parts of the central US. So currently we do have blizzard warnings in North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, and Nebraska. Winter storm warnings in South Dakota and Wyoming, as well as, I guess it's part of Montana as well. Winter weather advisories in North Dakota, Montana, South Dakota, Wyoming, and Colorado. So let's take a look at the current simulated radar, where you can see here we have a 983 millibar low pressure system that is moving through here and intensifying, bringing moderate to heavy snowfall through much of North Dakota and Montana, with lighter snow in South Dakota, Nebraska, and Wyoming. Now, the thing about this storm is that it's going to remain fairly inactive in terms of movement. It's going to move slowly to the north and east, and I'm going very fast through this. It's a matter of about a day before this storm system starts to move out of the region. So you can see here, as we're moving into the day on Sunday, this is right around, let's call this 2 o'clock in the morning Central Time. We're starting to see the moisture start to thin out, and really most of the snowfall leaves, let's go state by state here, Montana and Wyoming by, I guess, their mountain time, so 11 a.m. Sunday morning mountain time, and the snow leaves South Dakota and Nebraska by, let's call that 5 p.m. Sunday. The snow moves out of North Dakota by 10 p.m. Sunday, and the snow moves out of Minnesota by 11 p.m. on Sunday. So really all day today we're still going to be seeing the snow and the strong winds. So speaking of those strong winds, currently we are seeing gusts, well, not gusts, this is sustained winds up to 37 knots, and as we go throughout the day on Sunday, the winds will be ramping down a bit, but we still could see consistent areas of North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana seeing above 25 knots sustained winds. And this is going to be ongoing for hours. We're not talking just the 2 or 3 minimum hours that we usually see with blizzards. We're talking closer to 6 to 8 hours at 25 plus knots, which is over 30 miles an hour. And we start to see this really start to wind down probably right around noon Central Time, with all the winds as the storm starts to move off. And you can see here the winds die down pretty quickly, except in areas of eastern, north, and South Dakota and parts of Minnesota, where the winds stick around for a bit longer. Finally, let's take a look at our snow totals for the rest of this event. Highest snow total is going to be north of Minot, North Dakota, where you could still see a foot of snow. You could also see a foot of snow in parts of South Dakota and the mountains of Colorado, New Mexico, Wyoming, and Utah. And then I guess a little bit of Montana as well. Although we could see a wide swath of 6 to 12 inches from eastern Montana through northern North Dakota, and that is the main area that's still going to be impacted by this blizzard as it moves out. But that is all the information that I have for today. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and liking this video. But that is all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.